Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can wrap the perfect gift. I know. So with that being said, let's get into this. Okay guys, those of you who know me know I love wrapping gifts. I just love it, and I love getting a well wrapped gift. I just think there's nothing more personal and thoughtful than getting a gift that is wrapped well, because it shows that someone put time into it to wrapping your gift, and it's just, I love it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 gifts here today, and I'm going to show you how to wrap each one. Each one is different in their own way. There's 2 that are kind of similar, but then there's 2 that are like, surprises, so I'm going to have a bit of fun. Okay guys, so the first gift is this. I have it wrapped in this brown tissue paper because this is a gift from my friend, but I don't want her to see. It's basically just like a box, like it's just a square box, but I don't want like this brand name on it. I don't want anyone to see the brand name, so I'm just going to wrap it in this first and then with the wrapping paper, because also if you wrap it with this kind of brown bag first, when they like rip it open, they won't be able to rip all the way through, so it's a bit more of a challenge to get to the gift. So I'm just going to quickly wrap this in the brown bag and I'll come back to you in a minute. Okay guys, welcome to this fun angle. So I'm going to use this beautiful wrapping paper. It's from H&M. So I've got, let me just show you these amazing wrapping papers. So I've gotten these 3 wrapping papers from H&M. It's like a gold marble kind of effect one, a kind of burgundy red with like gold stars, and then a forest green with gold stars, and I'm obsessed. So we're going to use this one for this gift. So what I like to do is I like to place the gift like at the edge and kind of give about like 2 or 3 inches, and then or till it covers one side, and then I just like eye it at about maybe 2 rolls, because I like the paper to be thick. I don't like to have this one sheet of wrapping paper, so I like it to be thick, and I kind of go like, so I'm just going to sellotape this edge here just so I have that one secure and we know where we're going. And like that's rolled enough times. So then I'm just going to get my scissors and cut it so it hits like the edge. And try your best to get that line straight. I mean, I know it's not going to be 100% possible all the time, but like, try your best. And another thing when you're wrapping gifts, I think, just personally, less tape the better. So now that we have it in here, we have loads of like excess wrapping paper on each side. Now this is avoidable as well. I could have measured it better, but like also I'm not really short for wrapping paper, so like it doesn't really bother me. So I'm just going to cut in to about, say, I'll explain it when I cut it. You want to cut into the same kind of size as the side of your box, roughly. Like if it's a bit shorter, it's probably better than it being a bit longer, so don't be like, don't be scared. Okay, and now another thing to keep in mind is which way you're going to have the point. So normally you'd have the point like facing both the same way. So I'm going to go down like this. This is going to be the bottom of the gift, because this is where I have the kind of line there where I joined it up. So I'm going to have that at the bottom so no one will see it. Okay, so that is the gift pretty much wrapped. Now I have these ribbons from Marks and Spencer's, and I have this beautiful green velour one, so I'm going to use this one on this kind of gold marble-y kind of thing, because I just think it will kind of tone it down a bit so it's not super in your face like bang bang bang. So let's get it wrapped. So put the top of your gift facing up. Okay, so it's the top. The bottom is where these 2 things point down, so this is the top. So you're going to get a flat part and put it down like this. Then you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to do like a crisscross motion like so. And then this will bring you back around to the front again, well, to the top. So let's bring this over here. And then this is where you're going to tie your bow. Okay guys, so next I'm going to show you how to wrap clothing in a fun and creative way. So I have this just a simple, I think it's just like a sweater. So I'm just going to show you how to wrap this and give you a couple ideas. So one of the things I like to do when I'm wrapping clothes is to roll it into like a log. Now just ignore that crumpling because there's paper like inside it, because I don't know, there just is. And then I'm going to wrap it with a few layers of this, just paper. But you don't need to do this, it's just like an optional step. Okay, see, because I won't stay rolled. You kind of want to wrap it as tight as you possibly can as well, just so you know when they're feeling it they can't feel the softness and assume that it's closed. Okay, so that's the base of it. Next we're going to get very creative. So for this you want a wrapping paper that's like, you know, kind of more papery, like more workable, like it's not as stiff or as thick. So I have this simple star one here. This one is from Dunn Stores. So it's gonna you just want to make sure it's thick, so like, you know, it doesn't rip on you. So what you need to do for this one is you need to sellotape it in the middle and at the edges. Okay guys, so then what you need to do is you need to get your end, okay, and then you're going to get your hand and just scrunch it and then twist and just make a little mark. This is where you're going to have like your cracker end. And yes, spoiler, we're making a Christmas cracker gift edition. Let's get your ribbon again. I'm using the Merry Christmas one. It's red, it's like red and gold together, and it has the gold in it as well, so like they complement each other very nicely, and it makes this star gold wrapping paper look a bit more sophisticated and grown up. And just like that, you have your little Christmas cracker. And this is a fun and easy way to wrap clothing, and it looks really cool if I do this to myself. Okay guys, and that's it from me. That's how to wrap a gift like a designer. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know what your thoughts down below in the comment section, and let me know if you've been inspired or a sudden burst of creativity. I want to go wrapping right now. I'd love to know, so do leave me all them down below, and until next time, bye. Oh, but before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also that little notification bell, just to notify you when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and for the month of December I'm uploading extra videos every week, so you don't want to miss them. So be sure to hit that bell just so you do not miss a single one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!